Yeah, that's the shortstop, number 19, Marcus Brown.
Gazer Bravo, hold short 20, ready for departure.
November 6580 Bravo, Rogers Tower, on departure, maintain VFR. Runway 20, clear for takeoff. Wind is 120 at 4.
Clear for takeoff, and squawk, let's see, our moniker is actually 6980 Bravo. Just want to get you cleared up, not 6569. Sorry about that.
I'm sorry, give me your call sign one more time again.
6980 Bravo.
November 6980 Bravo, runway 20, clear for takeoff.
Appreciate it, thanks for the help, 80 Bravo.
You betcha.
Deuces.
November 80 Bravo, contact Razorback on 126.6.
Over Razorback, have a good day, 80 Bravo, go Hogs.
Yes, sir, thank you.
Razorback approach, good morning, Bonanza 6980 Bravo, just stopped Rogers, 2000, climb at 8.5.
November 6980 Bravo, Razorback departure, radar contact, resume on navigation. Multiple targets vicinity of Bentonville Airport, between indicating 2,000 to 2,400.
We'll be searching, 80 Bravo, thanks. Look out there, we got a bunch of traffic in front of us.
Razorback, this is 4 Papa Delta.
There's one right there.
Straight ahead
Go ahead. Yeah, it looks like we're stabilized, so I'd like to return via.
That's great. I got him. Good eye.
Meridian, please.
One that way.
November 4 Papa Delta.
Right here.
Stand by. We removed that flight plan from the system. Say again, what was the
our traffic cam right there?
Mike, Echo, India.
November 4 Papa Delta, Roger. Turn left, direct Meridian. I'll have that new clearance for you shortly.
Yeah, thanks again. Direct, left, direct Meridian. 4 Papa Delta.
He's already 600 feet below us. He's right there.
November 4 Papa Delta, squawk 0426, Fayetteville altimeter 3020.
0426 and 3020 for 4 Papa Delta.
Taxiway. Minimums.
Do you hear it say taxiway? Yeah. It was trying to alert us that we were about to land on the taxi over there, although we weren't. All right, 3 green, red, blue, green, clear to land.
Because of a big old tailwind, we have to adjust.
Oh, friggin' wind. Riding a wheelie.
November 80 Bravo, Fayetteville, left next taxiway. Taxi to park via Alpha 4, cross runway 22. They'll probably end up parking you next to Hangar 1, which is north of the tower.
Sounds good. We're getting off here at Charlie, Alpha 3, cross 22. Thanks, 80 Bravo.
Via Alpha 4.
Alpha 4, thanks. Air conditioning going. A lot of planes here. Nobody on the runway, the either direction, crossing Alpha 22 here. Alpha 4 is right there. There's a Columbia over there. I see it, yeah. There's our line person.
November 80 Bravo, I don't see anyone coming out to park you, so you can just make the left turn. And right next to the hangar, just north of the tower, there's 3 planes. You can park near one of them on a tee.
I appreciate it. I'm pulling next to that Columbia since we used to have one of those. Thanks for the help. Hey, 0 Bravo, hold short 22 ready for departure.
Hey, 0 Bravo, what's your direction?
We're going to be going west. Or, excuse me, east. Apologies.
Hey, 0 Bravo, no worries, runway 22, clear for takeoff, left turn to the east.
Clear for takeoff, left turn to the east, approved. Hey, 0 Bravo.
I say 14, make right traffic.
I'll say 14, make right traffic.
Just keep an eye on that plane right in front of me. Do you see him? Over power. Instruments are green, airspeed is alive. Full of warning. They're skidding on that takeoff.
State 41, what's your distance?
State 41, we're currently about 3 miles to the west of Physics.
Roger. State 29, are you ready to go?
Just 1 more minute for State 29.
6980 Bravo, radar contact, 5 miles to the east of Stillwater, Street 3800. You're Bonanza, and what's your destination?
Yeah, we're Bonanza. Destination is Romeo Oscar Golf, Rogers, Arkansas.
November 80 Bravo, thank you, and Tulsa altimeter 3002.
0280 Bravo. Camera keeps getting so hot.
538 Charlie, what are your intentions? Are you just flying around and then going back to Riverside eventually?
No, we're on the way to Riverside now. There's a large fire and it was blowing a lot of smoke up in our path there, so we're just going to go to the south of it and then back on course to Riverside.
Or 30 Charlie, thanks.
There is quite a bit of smoke up there. That was a ridiculously gusty takeoff. I was two-fisting it for sure. Loaded up with 5 adults here and about 54 gallons of fuel, so we're a little heavy, which should help them with that type of thing, but I was just so gusty. Should get a slight
24, we are established
a bit of a tailwind
for runway 17 at Stillwater.
24, practice approach approved, no separations for services provided, maintain VFR.
Practice approach approved, maintain VFR, no separation provided, go 24.
I mean, that was something else. Rogers is showing 200, 14 gusting 22.
November 6980 Bravo, do you see a fire out there anywhere?
Hey, firm, it's about to my 2 o'clock right now. Pretty good size one.
November 80 Bravo, thank you.
Yeah, 3 Charlie, I'm right over the top of it right now. It's pretty big.
3 Charlie, thank you. And are you above the smoke where you are?
Yeah, the wind's blowing pretty fast. It's blowing it north, and so I just cut down to the south, and I was able to get over the top of it, away from the smoke.
3 Charlie, thanks. Number 99 Golf Yankee, contact Kansas Center 133.47. Have a good one.
It's just 664, so we see out of 12,000 for 15.
Executive 664 Kansas City, Roger, climb, maintain flight level 220.
220, Executive 664.
Center, Brickyard 4804, flight level 262, descending pod discretion, flight level 240, smooth, high rise.
Brickyard 4804, Kansas City Center, Roger. No real complaints to the descent. It's going to maintain 16,000. The Oklahoma City altimeter 2998.
16,000, Brickyard 4804.
Bobcat 38, Center. Tower 0 Alpha Whiskey, contact with soft approach 134.85. Have a good one.
This is kind of funny. What do you do when you're a pilot? Your co-pilot goes to sleep.
OC 29, stand by.
Passengers playing cards in the back. A lot of help they are today. The camera was getting hot.
OC 29, squawk
the GoPro camera shut down 2 or 3 times there on departure.
Number 3195 Kilo, descend to maintain 5,000.
Look at this fire. Honey. Big fire.
Number 80 Bravo, contact Tulsa approach 124.0. Have a good day.
24-0, Razor, Bravo, good day.
Yeah.
Tulsa approach, good afternoon, Bonanza 6980 Bravo, climbing 6.9, 7.5.
November 6980 Bravo, Tulsa approach, altimeter 3002, advised prior to T&E altitude change.
All right, we're going up to 7,500, we'll advise any altitude change, 80 Bravo.
Thanks.
Approach helicopter 489 Alpha, Echo terminated.
So,
November 9 Alpha, Echo radar service is terminated.
There was so hot,
frequency change is approved.
Was turning off. I restarted 2 or 3 times, so
3866 Whiskey, we'd like radar vectors back to Riverside.
I've stitched some of this video together.
9er right.
November 3866 Whiskey, radar
We should be
contact
good nonetheless.
of Okmulgee, climb and maintain 3,500, turn right heading 330, vectors RNAV 19 right approach.
330 up to 3,000.
That was a crazy takeoff. Really gusty. All right, we've reached our cruising altitude of 7,500 feet. Go ahead and bring the fuel auxiliary pump down. We'll bring her back to 2,500 RPM.
Tulsa departure, Skyhawk 9543 Papa is ready to go back to Riverside.
We're going to go lean a peak down to about 16 gallons per hour, I think.
November 43 Papa, okay. Make straight in 19, right?
Straight in 19er right, 43 Papa.
Should bring our temperatures down a little bit.
Contact Riverside Tower 120.3.
1203 and no problem.
As we
Thank
accelerate.
you, 43 Papa.
Go, getting a good ground speed right now, 175. A 34 knot quartering crosswind over our right shoulder, so be a little bumpy going home. Appreciate the push though. Always like the push. All right, well, we'll shut her down and pick her up. We're going to be flying straight over Tulsa and on to northwest Arkansas for potentially another bumpy landing. So, loads of fun for us. So we'll talk to you shortly. Thanks for watching. Our gear is set, flaps are set.
90 Tango Juliet, I'll advise when I receive it.
Go ahead and dial in 20 for the runway. Full mixture, full prop. Down, flaps down, we're pretty high. Getting kicked around quite a bit.
KR 90 Tango Juliet, clearance.
500.
KR 90 Tango Juliet is cleared to the 52 Foxtrot Airport, Rogers 3 departure.
Alright, 3 gears,
3,000.
3 green, red, blue, green, clear to collect.
10 minutes after departure. Departure frequency will be Razorback
Minimums.
126.6. Squawk 160.
Our land with approach flaps, it's a little gusty. We'll just land long.
KR 90 Tango Juliet, reback rack. Zero Tango Juliet, runway 20, taxi bay Alpha. As 80 Bravo, turn left at Charlie, hold short of Alpha.
Left on Charlie, hold short of Alpha 80 Bravo. Guess they don't want us to run into this King Air.
Bonanza 80 Bravo, taxi park in this frequency, good day.
Taxi park, stay with you, 80 Bravo, thanks, Bill. Well, it was a pretty bumpy day, but we got to go to OSU and watch a little baseball. Beautiful day out, just really windy today.
King Air 0 Tango Juliet, advise on tower when you're ready.
I smell that jet fuel on that King Air in front of it. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. I appreciate it. Like these videos and appreciate what we're doing here. Share them with your friends. Give us a like and subscribe. We'd certainly appreciate it. Trying to share aviation with as many folks as we can. Share our love for aviation and learn from other aviators as well. That's why we do this channel. So appreciate y'all watching. I hope y'all have a great afternoon and a good week. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time.